You know what I love? When people say, hey Amber, where's the bathroom? Well, it's funny you should ask that. It's, over there. Hashtag hench. No, I'm totally joking. I literally have no muscle whatsoever. This is what happens when you don't work out. Hi guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Anyone who has ever worked out in a gym will easily be able to sympathize with this video. There's different types of people that go to the gym, obviously, and everyone has different ways of working out. One thing that I've noticed in the 7 or 8 occasions that I've ever been to the gym is that some people make really, really weird noises when they're at the gym. Like, really weird noises. I don't really make any noises when I work out. Some people say this is because I'm not working hard enough. I just find it really awkward to grunt in a gym. Can you really imagine me on like the bench press being like no, that's totally not my style. I think that'd just be really embarrassing for myself and everyone around me. This comedy sketch stems from personal experience and all of the weird and wonderful noises that I've heard people make when I've been working out in the gym. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. I really hope that you enjoyed that comedy sketch. Make sure that you write your experiences in the comments below. Do you make weird noises in the gym? Or maybe you have a friend that does. Expose them in the comments. I want to hear about all of your funny stories and the noises that you've heard people make in the gym. Please don't forget to give me a cheeky thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and of course subscribe for new videos every week. See you next time.